A new lead is generated in my business and automatically a WhatsApp message with the latest offer in my business is forwarded towards the lead, and that lead is converted into my customer. Yes, you can also automate the process of lead nurturing in your business as well, that too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So I am an owner of a fashion apparel store business and I promote my business using Facebook lead ads. Over here, whenever a new lead is generated using Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead a WhatsApp message has been forwarded with the latest offer in my business. For that, I've simply built the connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp, that too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to learn how you can create this automation for yourself in your business as well, and you want to see how this amazing automation works in real time, I'm going to take you towards my screen. So welcome to my screen everyone. First of all, I'm going to show you how this amazing automation will work in real time. For generating a lead using Facebook lead ads, I'm going to generate a test lead using Meta's lead ads testing tool. So this is the tool, and now let us generate a lead. Over here the page is Style Revolution. I'm going to select it, and this is the lead gen form, and I'm going to click on this preview form button. Then it is asking for all these details. Firstly, it is asking for my lead's full name. For the full name over here, let's suppose I'm going to write it as test lead. Okay. For the email address, I'm going to write it as test@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right here. After filling all the details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to generate a test lead. As now this test lead is generated, now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received a new message or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and you can see on my WhatsApp I have received the message, new season, new style. Hi test lead. This was the name of the lead. You can see right here, thanks for checking out our latest fashion collection. Here's something special for you. And this is the offer that is for 25% off. You can see right over here for the summer collection. It says plus get a free shipping on all the orders above $9.99. Explore the website. This exclusive offer is valid till Sunday 28th of August. Hurry and refresh your wardrobe today. Okay, you can see right over here, this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards our lead as soon as it is generated through Facebook lead ads. Now to create this amazing automation, I will be using Pabbly Connect. For that, on a new tab, browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. After I browse the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Before I tell you about this amazing automation, I want to tell you about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. Over here in this space, you can ask your questions, share feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Okay? Now let us create the amazing automation. After coming to the landing page, you will find two options in front of you. One is sign in, other one is sign up for free. If you're an existing user, that means you already have a valid Pabbly account. You can sign in from here, but if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I'm an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Connect account, and then you will find the All Pabbly Apps section in front of you where you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this Access Now button right over here, and then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation in our Pabbly Connect account, we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button on the top right corner where you will find two options to build your workflow. One is the new beta method, other one is the old classic method. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, you can use the new beta method from here. But if you want more stable and familiar approach, you can select the old classic method. Okay, I'm going to create this amazing workflow with the help of the new beta method. Firstly, we have to rename our workflow. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Facebook, WhatsApp. Okay, and for the folder, these are the folders. To categorize the different workflows according to the categories, you can create workflows in your Pabbly Connect account. For that, simply click on this plus button and you can name your folder. I have created a folder in the name of workflows, and then I'm going to click on this create button to create a new workflow. And a workflow has been created, and firstly we have to add a trigger. Okay, now in Pabbly Connect there are two steps, trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and actions follows them simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple actions applications in Pabbly Connect. For the trigger application, I'm going to select over here as Facebook lead ads as my trigger application, as I want that as soon as a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, I want this trigger should capture the response of that. And for my event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant and click on this connect button. This window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection. But if you have created a connection before, you can select the existing one from here, okay? And then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button right over here. Then this window is going to appear, which is asking for me to continue with this account. This is my Facebook account, so I'm going to click on this continue button and on this button right over here. And as soon as I've done that, you can see Facebook lead ads is automatically going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. For making the connection process easy, log into your Facebook account on a new tab and the connection will be easily created, okay? So now what we're going to do is, firstly it is asking for us to select the page. With the help of Style Revolution Facebook page, I will be promoting my Facebook lead ads. So for the page over here, I'm going to select it as Style Revolution, okay? I'm going to select it. And for the lead gen form, I have created a lead ads form in the name of Facebook lead form. So I'm going to select that form, with the help of which I'm collecting my leads data, okay? After selecting the page and the form over here, it says save and send test request button. I'm going to click on this button and it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to now generate a test lead to check whether our trigger captures the response of the leads data or not. And again, for generating the test lead, I'm going to be using lead ads testing tool. This is Meta's lead ads testing tool, okay? Now over here, this page says you can create one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. I've already generated a lead using this form, so I have to delete that lead from here. After deleting, refresh this page. Okay, it is mandatory to delete the lead and refresh the page because you can only generate one lead per form. Okay, for the page, again, I'm going to select over here the page that I've created in the name of Style Revolution. This is the same form, and then click on this preview form button. Now we have to enter the details. For the full name over here, I'm going to write it as new lead as the name. Okay, for the email over here, I'm going to write it as new3@pabblytudes.com. Okay. And then over here it is asking for the phone number. For the phone number, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right here and click on this continue button and on this submit button. And we have done that. The test lead is going to be generated. Okay, then I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down. And we have to wait over here for a few seconds for the response of our lead to be captured. And within few seconds, the response has been captured. You can see right over here successfully. The name is new lead. Email is new3@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number with all the other details. Okay. So as now the lead state has been captured over here in my trigger, this means that Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is now been done. Now as the Facebook lead ads setup is done, now we have to send a WhatsApp message towards this lead. For that, add an action step, and for the action application, select over here as WhatsApp Cloud API. I'm going to send a WhatsApp message using WhatsApp Cloud API template that I've created. You can see this is the template that I've created, and using this message template, we will be sending WhatsApp messages to all our leads. Okay. In this template that I've created, if I'm going to open the edit page over here, you can see I've also added a variable. In front of the one and on the end of the one, I've added opening and closing curly brackets that creates this a variable. In place of this variable, I want to add the lead's name. So I've added this variable over here in the template to create more personalized effect in this message. And using this template, we'll be sending WhatsApp messages. And that is why for the event, I'm going to select it as send template message new, okay? And then simply click on this connect button. This window is going to appear, on which click on this add new connection button. If you want, you can select the existing one from before as well. Now it is asking for the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. Now from where are we going to find all these details? To find all the details, you need to create your own WhatsApp Cloud API setup. Now using this setup, you can find the token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. If you want to learn how you can set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API setup, for that go to this hyperlink given here below in the help desk inside Pabbly Connect, and you will land towards Pabbly forum page and you will find two tutorials. First tutorial is a step-by-step guide of how you can create your own complete WhatsApp Cloud API setup. We will tell you how you can create it, and you will find your token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID from there. Okay, and if you want to generate a permanent access token for your business, you can find the other tutorial. This is a step-by-step guide as well, with the help of which you can generate your own permanent token. Okay, I've already created a setup, so I'm going to copy these details from here and paste it over here in this field. After filling in all the details, I'm going to click on this save button right over here to build the connection. Okay, now after creating the connection, firstly over here it is asking for the receiver's phone number to whom we want to send a WhatsApp message to. Now over here, as I want to send the WhatsApp message to my lead, and we have received the data of our lead in this previous step, so I'm going to map the data. What is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Click on this field, you will find the previous step, click on it, and you will find the response in the previous step in which we have find the phone number of our lead. So I'm going to select the data of the phone number of my lead from my previous response. Now as I've selected this data from the previous response, you can see over here this data right here has been mapped, and as I've mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Template, over here I've created a template in the name of apparel store offer. So what I'm going to do is for the template, I'm going to select that same. Language code, I've created this template in the language English. So language code over here is going to be EN. So I'm going to enter it. This is the name, I'm going to select it. Template has header, it doesn't have any header, so I'm going to select the option no. And if it doesn't have any header, you have to toggle this header type and erase this existing data from here. Okay, it is asking for all these details which I do not want, so I'm going to skip the part. Template has body, yes it does, so I'm going to select over here as yes. And to enter the value of the variable that I've added in the template, you will find all the fields like this. Over here I'm going to map the data of the name of my lead right here. Button, no it doesn't, so I'm going to select over here and no. And then you have to click on this save and send test request button. But before that, I want to tell you one thing. In place of this receiver's phone number, I've entered a dummy mobile number, and a WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded towards this dummy number. So what I'm going to do is, in place of this dummy number, I'm going to enter my WhatsApp number just for the test. I'm going to manually enter it right here so that I can check whether this workflow is working or not. But you have to map the data of your lead's phone number over here. Okay, and now I'm going to enter my mobile number right here. After entering all the details over here, I'm going to click on this save and send test request button. And as soon as I'm going to do that, you can see right over here we have received a response. This is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received a new WhatsApp message or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And yes, on my WhatsApp, you can see I've received a new message. New season, new style, hi, new lead. This was the name of the lead. And there's the exact same template message that we have created using WhatsApp Cloud API. You can see right over here, it's been forwarded to me as a WhatsApp message. Okay. So as now this message has been forwarded, this means the connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp is now been successfully created. Now, whenever a new lead is generated in your business, instantly you can send an offer message on their WhatsApp number using this amazing automation, and you do not need to do anything manually and even pick your finger up to do this work. Okay, so this is how you build the connection between these two applications so easily. If you want to check out this amazing workflow that I've created, you will find the link of the workflow in the description box below, and you can use it as well. And if you find any of the doubts while I was creating this workflow, you can ask us any of the questions in the description box below, and we will answer all your questions. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.